Let's hold the thumbs. It's beautiful weather up here today. The sun is shining for once. It has been gone for weeks, so it's good to see it again. Ka wanting to get off the boat, so she's complaining, but yeah. So I have this here, life raft, 6-person life raft, and I'm thinking I want to like use it. I was thinking about just tossing it into the water and you know, inflating it, but I really want to use this the glass fiber box around it to make like a chest. Put some hinges on it and, you know, sell it to somebody. I think it could make a nice chest. And I took this off. Let's see here, yeah. This was loose. Let's do this one too as well here. There we go. Then this. It's getting there. I don't want to fall in the water, it's pretty cold. So that's that gone. Let's see here. Can I open this one? Yeah, no, it's loose here. Oh yeah, let's see. There definitely is a right life raft in here. I think I'm gonna go get some assistance. Let's walk over to my neighbor's boat over here. I think he's home. And ask him to help us make this shit. I think this could be fun. The project of the day, huh? I gotta go away at 4 o'clock later on in like 2 hours, so I don't really got that much free time today to do stuff, but let's see. Go, get on. English, motherfucker, you speak it? Nice! We need a pre-fuck about shot. A little bit of whiskey for me, and the Ant-Man wants Kraken. Kraken for the Ant-Man! It's cool. Come, my friend. So let's see here. Yeah, I put the mic on. Excellent. I'm gonna take that thingy down. Hopefully. Huh. Nice. What do you think? I think maybe we'll toss it in here. Fuck it. Because I have already opened it up a bit, so yeah, there we go. You see what I mean? I think this would make a good mini bar. Let's hold the thumbs. Oh, they give you a lot of rope. How fucking cool is that, man? That is awesome. Check it out, it's venting out now. Oh, it's wrapped around. We'll get it when we get over there. Let's go out over there. Let's see what we got in the raft. Maybe we'll get some cool stuff. Yeah, I think there should be some survival equipment in the raft. Let me get this fucking rope. There was a lot of rope. A lot. It's gonna be like 30 meters. Son of a bitch. That's good enough. I'll climb down first. You give me the camera. I am a little bit excited, I have to say. This looks like a perfect camping tent, right? Yeah. I think we used slap in something to lie on, and you'll be good. No, you got the steps and everything. This. Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. You could probably sleep 2 people there pretty comfortably. Oh, sweet Jesus. Let's get in here. Viking.
Viking, yeah.
Well, I got some water in here for inflating the raft, but man, this looks pretty cool. Yeah, here is a bag of stuff. Here is some.
More rope?
I think this is like a solar still or something. Yeah, it's to close the valves up so you don't get that. But it's full of ice. It's probably gonna deflate here in a short while, so there's a lot of. Let's get this stuff out and see what's in the cool bag. The goodie bag. Let me untie it from here. Let me give me the camera. I'll do it a quick. This is my crib. Check it out. Inflation, it says here. Yeah, we'll try that later. Here is a little bit short of a description. What to expect. There is even batteries here, man.
Yeah, there's a lamp in the top.
Yeah, I can see.
It's on.
It's on?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's on. Look at that. The safety light is giant.
Here also, out on the outside here, on the outside.
Here? Yeah. There. That's something. Might be some kind of small knife to cut the rope off.
Yeah.
So here is at least the goodie bag. It's the, I think, survival equipment that comes on the raft. So we'll get out of yeah, of course, here is the steps. I'm definitely gonna camp out a night or 2 in this.
Yeah.
Here, get this. Thing here. Is this a knife or is it not a knife? Let's check it out. Yeah, it is a knife. It is a knife. There we go. There we go. You don't want to have the rope still stuck to the sinking boat.
Yeah.
It's not going to help you out a lot. Then I think if you ever find yourself in a survival situation, you should probably like do something to this, because it feels like a stupid idea to have a knife on a rope next to inflatable stuff. I mean, is that not like a good idea? Well, here. Yeah, it didn't, right? There's another knife in here too as well, right on the floor. Yeah. Hey, unpack the ore and give it to me. Eh? It's like Christmas all over again. Oh, nice. Give me one. They're pretty nice.
Yeah. Perfectly all.
So I'm thinking I'm going to paddle around to the other side here.
Yeah.
If you want to, you can start opening up the packages.
Yeah.
And lay them out on the ground, and I'll work my way around here. Hopefully I don't get swept away by the ocean streams. Forward, men! It's not very practical. My hands are freezing.
You have that one.
Yeah, I know. But I think I can pull it out myself. Oh, Jesus. Oh, fucking hell, yeah. No, I got a drift anchor underneath. And like, it's a bag that fills up with water, so it doesn't just move around in the wind on the top. That's why it's so fucking... You can see it there.
Yeah.
Oh, shite. That's why it was so fucking hard to paddle.
Yeah.
Why do they even give you paddles, man? Well, give me the end of that rope there again. We'll get it out of the way. You see, it's already starting to deflate.
Yeah.
Oh, so sad. No, but I think, isn't there a pump in one of those bags?
Yeah, I think there is. Supposed to be. Here's one.
Get out of the way, Ka. Hope there's food in here, man. I'm hungry.
Other things.
There is
Warm.
indumento di protezione termica. I think it's a heat protection blanket.
Yeah, something like that.
Or it's it got like maybe it's for closing the door sides,
Yeah, maybe.
or like a kind of like a sleeping bag. No, it's like a sleeping bag.
Yeah. Ah,
You see?
yeah.
And I don't know why it's a Danish life raft with Italian heat blankets in it. What else do we got here? Medicine, flare, more flares, flashlight with a whistle.
Good work.
But there mightn't be no batteries in it. Doesn't matter because they actually gave us batteries too as well.
Exactly, there we are.
Yeah, this is like a live smoke grenades.
Ah,
You should bring that to
in the
your
water.
you should bring to your airsoft event sometime.
Yeah.
It leaves like a thick orange cloud of smoke.
Yeah. Yeah, that will be fun.
I think this is another solar still. You put it in the water and it distills the sun. Am I in the center?
Almost
Almost, look at it.
in the bag.
Ah, the bag, yeah. More flares. Thing for drinking. Swamp. Sponge. I think that's for taking out the water from the boat. What the fuck is this? Oh yeah, it's a signaling mirror.
Ah,
So you hold it up, you aim with this, and that you can signal ships with the mirror.
good.
That's very good to have. What other stuff do we have in here? Can openers. Where's the food? They gave me, how many can openers did they give me? 3. But I'm gonna starve to death.
There's enough food in
There's no food here.
bags.
Maybe they give us like ration cookies, you know, one cookie lasts you for like 10 years. It's like the shit the hobbits eat in the Lord of the Rings. Yeah, what is the name of that? Elvish bread? Limbus bread?
Ah, yeah.
You remember?
Yeah.
Yeah. Let's see what we got in here. Bellows. So this must be the pump. Oh yeah. Good. Great. Good shit. So there we go.
Just one small bag.
Which one? This one?
Yeah.
Repair kit. I think it's pretty self-explanatory. I think it's glue and some rubber stuff. Matches.
You can let the thing on fire.
Yeah, what the fuck am I gonna do with matches? I have nothing to burn. But
Maybe another fishing hook or something?
doesn't.
Is
This-
that the fishing line with hooks on? What kind of line is that?
Yeah, it feels like there's fishing hooks in here. Yeah.
Yes, yeah.
So you get, and then there is weight, so you can at least do some fishing,
Yeah.
and then you can open the fish with the can openers.
So smart.
Let's see what's in the medicine box here then.
There it goes.
Hopefully. Yeah, if at least they give you some morphine, that's a good start. So this is sealed. This should have been used 20 years ago. Används före 2023. Eller 2003. 2003.
Yeah, that's a couple of years ago.
Yeah, I know people older than this box, or the same age. Pitch basic, paracetamol,
looks brand new.
It looks fucking brand new, yeah. Bakteriehämmande. Antibacterial cream. What is this? The fuck is this? Yeah, tablets against seasickness.
That's also smart.
That's actually a pretty clever thing to pack it. But no food, man! No food. Ah, they go, you bring your own food. From...
Your penalty.
Yeah, I just eat that. Oh, fishing hooks, and I'll just fry the fish with some torches. We'll be fine. Don't worry about it. We'll be fine. Nobody will ever notice. Yeah, so that's the haul. Good stuff. I enjoyed it.
A lot of things.
I mean, look, I think it actually inflated a little bit again. Look, it's rising up.
Yeah.
It is. Look, it's rising.
Yeah.
It'll be fine. I think what happened was, since it's probably a carbon dioxide canister in there, and since it's cold, it becomes carbon dioxide snow and ice, and then when that melts, it starts inflating it again. Just a guess, don't know. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed today's random content of testing a life raft. And yeah, we'll take it out for a camping trip one day, and we'll sleep in it for over the night and see how that works. You want to join? Maybe?
Yeah, for sure, maybe.
We'll try it out. We'll see how that goes.
Yeah.
I mean, it's a good tent / life raft. It's kind of beautiful. Let's get in one way. Yeah. We got a bit of water in it when you inflate it, but it'll be fine. Yeah, I think you probably could inflate the walls here.
I think so.
Yeah, you probably could. And that way it will give you more protection from the cold.
Exactly. It will double.
Uppsittning inflation. Yeah, that's what it says there.
Yeah.
Stäng av ingångarna. Closing of entrances. Loose nedre. Yeah, okay, yeah. Rainwater. Oh, it collects rainwater too.
Oh, it does?
Rainwater, yeah. So I think when it rains, this side collects rainwater somehow, and you open it here and you get the water out.
Yeah, there is a
There's a hole there?
shell or something that goes like this.
Ah.
See it there.
Oh, yeah. And there is a little, here is the rubber hose for that, and some plastic bags. That's pretty smart.
Yeah,
That's pretty fucking smart. Yeah, and here you see it. Yeah, that's a drift anchor shit. I mean, I like this one. I think it's a keeper.
Yeah,
We're gonna keep it.
I think so too.
Come here. Come in. Come to your new home, Seth. Come in here, yes. Isn't it nice in the new boat? Very nice. Yes, you can sleep here tonight. Yeah. Very nice for you to sleep in here tonight. Now I'm all wet, but that's fine. We had fun. That's the most important part. Excellent.
Yeah.
Now let's have some. It's Friday, right?
Yeah, it is.
Let's get some more drinks and then make this video and it'll be good. Hang in there until next time and have a good fucking weekend.